Got this other Vitara, it's a nice red thing, lovely thing, over there. We're going to brake it, we're going to take the wheels, tyres off it, we're going to take the engine, gearbox, front and rear axles, maybe the tailgate, a few other bits and odds and sods that we're going to need. I don't really know what I'm going to take off it exactly, but I know the engine's good, I know the gearbox is good, I know the rear axle's good, I know the front axle's knackered in it, but we'll take all the bottom arms and that out. Apparently it's got a lift kit and that on it as well. So we'll have a little do. Let's have a guided tour around the old beast now. Fucking shit. Rotten as fuck it is. Yeah, there's plenty of tin worm in it. Nice chunky tyres though. I didn't lock it, so someone must have cared about it. You can see that down there. Put my fingers through. It's a bit rotten. Same on that side. You can really see it, and you can see a bit there. The wheels are split for some reason, it's all right along the wing. Well, that was good though. Sounds in good fettle anyway. Battery's good. Power steering pump's good. I need a power steering pump for mine. It's done 96,000 miles. The interior's not too shabby. Might take a couple of seats or something maybe. Back end again, not too shabby. Bit more tin worm, especially lightened. Nice. Yeah, she's a fucking full race weapon. Oh, it's got some sort of lift kit on there. You might see that featuring in a slightly later video on my car, if it is one. It does make some hell of a banging noises though. Crashing and fucking going and... She's a bit rotten. The old girl's seen better days. Look at that. Fucking hell. This was on the road until last week. Dodgy. Right, well, the engine's nearly ready to go. You see, nearly out. There's a couple engine mounts to go. All the gearbox is loose. First things first though, let's get a coffee. Because I haven't had a coffee yet. It's first thing in the morning. Cheers. Cheers, Subway. Ah. Just something for for a bit of a giggle. Having a poke around yesterday, and I found this structural piece of fiberglass. Pull it out. That's all it took to get out, literally. And you find more holes. Probably the same on the other side. Right, more coffee. All I need to do now is hook the chains up on the motor to the crane on the back of the breakdown, drop it down on the jack, and hopefully it should just slide straight out. You know, really, it's not going to work like that, but hey, what the hell. One thing I forgot to do is cut out the front cross member on it, so makes it, and then dragging it out makes it a little bit easier. Yeah, well, we'll do that quickly now. Right, now I'm going to get the old breakdown truck. Since I haven't got an engine crane, the only crane I have is sitting on the back of my breakdown truck. So, I think we'll be able to get the engine out of my fucking Vitara with that. It's only a crane, so it should be able to do it. Bruce! Blame you, Bruce. Well, that went better than expected. This is there, swinging. No real sort of damage, just a bit of a bent finger on the clutch plate. That's it. Other than that, she's swinging free. Nice. Yes, you can remove an engine with a fucking Harvey Frost. Craned 308. Fantastic.